Hi, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2014 Holden Commodore SS. Starting off at the front, I am going to walk you through the condition and some of the actual features of the vehicle. As you can probably already tell, the vehicle does present in really good condition. So at the front end, very minimal touch-ups or marks at all really. There are a couple of minor scuffs down the bottom, but really nothing too concerning. The front bumper has got the color match parking sensors in there, and that chrome grille does tie in very nicely with that really nice color. The headlights are nice and sharp with the projector beam in there as well, going to give you plenty of visibility. And down the bottom you have also got the daytime running lamps and that black grille. First alloy wheel, really good condition there. It is actually completely unmarked, even if I am being super picky. Still plenty of tread left in those tires as well. Got the color match side mirrors and door handles, and that little vent on the side there. It is non-functional, but it does add to the whole aesthetic of the vehicle. We've also got an indicator built into that vent. Now the windows have been very slightly tinted, which is going to save you money down the track, so good for keeping the inside of the car nice and cool. On the inside, as you can see, seat bolsters are in really good condition, and all the suede and everything nice and clean. Now down the bottom, where people usually get lazy and kick the doors open, minimal scuffs along the doors, and those scuff plates on there as well are pretty much unmarked. Next, alloy wheel now, still really good condition there, so no marks that I could see at all. SS badging on the side there, and the paintwork along the side of the vehicle does present really well. Fuel filler cap is on the driver's side, so it is just push to open. When your car is locked, that will not open. Got those nice sized tail lights that wrap around the side of the vehicle, and they have got the blacks around, which does look really nice. TOWBAR down the bottom, and you've got the quad chrome tip X-Force exhaust just under that bumper as well. On the back there, you've got your color matched rear parking sensors and a reverse camera just in under the tailgate. We just have a look in the boot now quickly. As you can see, plenty of space in the back, and you have got that boot liner there along with your carpet mats. Cargo blind in the back is also going to keep everything nice and private, just clips in when you pull it out. You've got the tow bar on the side here and a little storage space, and underneath the floor is your full-size spare, which does look like it's probably never been used, so that's always good to see. Close that back up and we'll keep making our way along the side. Paintwork does present really well along this side as well. That next alloy wheel, the ones that are quite often parked next to the curb and cop the most amount of scratches, is completely unmarked. Actually, if I'm being picky, there is one very minor mark there, but nothing really noticeable at all. Paintwork, as I mentioned, does present really well. Yep, just a bit of dirt, but really well maintained vehicle. That next alloy wheel, once again, actually completely unmarked. So 4 unmarked wheels and really good condition on the paintwork. This is clearly a vehicle that has been very well looked after. Now what we're going to do is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Here, look under the bonnet. Now what we have is a 6-litre V8 with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. ANCAP Safety rating is 5 stars. You've got a power output of a very impressive 260 kilowatts with a torque rating of 517 Newton meters. The petrol fuel tank holds 91 fuel, and it does have a capacity of 71 liters. The combined fuel consumption will be around 11.7 liters per 100, giving you an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 607 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the SS now, on the driver's side door here, you do get a really nice carbon fiber looking trim there, and just under that again some plastic covered carbon fiber as well. So very well designed door. On the driver's side, on the door itself, you have got your power window controls. Now the front 2 are automatic up and down, the back 2 are just auto down. Above that you've got the toggle for your power mirrors. Now on the door itself there is the lock and unlock buttons for your central locking, and on the right hand side of the steering wheel you've got your headlight control. So being automatic headlights, you can just leave it in auto, the car will decide when it needs them. On the right hand stalk you've got your indicators and and your menu selectors for the digital display between the clusters, and on the left hand side you've got all your washer and wiper controls. Now on the steering wheel, it is a very nice leather wrap steering wheel you get in the SS. You've got all your media controls on the right hand side and all your cruise control settings on the left. If we pan into the middle now, As you can see, you do get your AM and FM radio. You've also got phone connectivity and Bluetooth as well. Just under here is your CD port. You've got hard buttons below the screen, but the screen itself is actually touchscreen. You've got a really nice, once again, plastic covered carbon fiber looking trim through the middle there. Dual zone climate control, meaning the driver and passenger can both have separate temperatures. Got a 12-volt socket under here and a little bit of storage if you wanted to keep your phone while it's plugged in. Now the shifter itself, if you bring it down into drive and bump it to the left, you can switch through the gears manually, and if you put it in reverse, you get a really nice rear view camera there. You can actually see the tow bar in that camera, and if you wanted to just use the park assist diagram, you can just bring up the diagram of your parking sensors. Behind here there is a little bit of storage. You've got your traction control, your park assist and your parking sensor controls there. An electric park brake, two nicely sized cup holders, and that center console, when you open it up, you have got a USB AUX input there, 12-volt socket, and plenty of storage as well. Behind here you've got your air conditioning vents, and between the seats you've got two nicely hidden cup holders, so great if you wanted to keep cups in the back. Now all the way through the interior, the leather and suede in these seats is in really good condition. It's a very, very well looked after vehicle, and even the roof lining, minimal marks at all on the roof. So very well looked after vehicle, as you can probably already tell. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this stunning Commodore. As you can see, in this kind of condition, it is a beautiful vehicle and it has been very well looked after, so you're going to want to do your part and protect it too. So we have some great ideas for how you can actually protect your investment. One would be the glass coat, which is going to give you an extra warranty on your paintwork, protect it and keep it looking this amazing for however long you plan to own the vehicle. The other thing I would recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. That will give you an extra 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. We'll also give you up to 10 years of platinum roadside assistance, unlimited claims at $3,600 per claim. So it is awesome value, and if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance options and tailor something to suit your needs. They will also show you just how minimal the change in your repayments will be with everything included. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact us. But before I go, have a look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars with over 8,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. Shows that people do enjoy dealing with us. We like to make the process easy for you, and we like to ensure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. So if you have any questions at all, the number is 99070555. We look forward to seeing you soon.